yourself. Okay, well, we should be live. So hello everybody out in the Facebook land. This is Leslie Lockhart with Abbington Life, and this is my series of interviews with local businesses that are supporting Abbington Life and the Abbington neighborhood, as well as other neighborhoods, in this instance, like 12 Oaks and Holly Springs, and also some new home buyers in the area. But I want to introduce you to Dr. Jean from Little Tooth Co. Pediatric Dentistry. We will be doing a little giveaway. So at the end of the video, you can find out how to enter the giveaway and what that is. So hello, Dr. Jean. Thank you for joining me today. Just tell us a little bit about yourself and your business.
Hi, Leslie. Well, first of all, I just wanted to say thank you so much to you and to Abbington Life for this opportunity and for thinking of us small businesses during this time.
Could you increase your volume a little bit?
Or a little closer.
Okay. I just want to make sure everybody can hear you.
Sure, certainly.
That's better.
Is that better? Yes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. So my name is Dr. Jean Yu, and I am a pediatric dentist and owner of Little Tooth Co. Children's Dentistry in Apex.
Awesome. So how did you get into that line of work?
So I'm originally from New Jersey, but I received my dental degree from the University at Buffalo in New York State, and I decided to specialize in pediatric dentistry. So I completed my training in pediatric dentistry at Columbia University in New York City, where I had a lot of experience dealing with children with medical and special needs, both in the clinical setting and in the operating room setting. Before coming to North Carolina and acquiring Little Tooth Co., I practiced in Massachusetts and Connecticut for several years. I am board certified. I'm also a diplomate in the American Board of Pediatric Dentistry. And when I'm not in the office, I especially love treating children while I'm traveling. So I've done dental missions trips as close by as like rural Tennessee, rural New York State, but also the Dominican Republic and the Philippines. It just gives me so much joy to treat children and get them out of pain, as well as experience different backgrounds and different cultures with them.
Awesome. So you may have just said it and I somehow missed it, but when did you start as a dentist?
I started a few years ago. So in 2015, I started practicing dentistry. And like I said, I was practicing in Massachusetts and Connecticut before coming here.
Okay, and when did you start your Apex location?
So technically, Little Tooth Co. has been around since 2005. It was called Children's Dentistry of Apex, and it was owned by Dr. Ron Venezi. Upon coming to North Carolina, I acquired the practice, and Dr. Ron Venezi entrusted me with this practice. And I am so honored to be able to treat his patients and to have gained his trust, as well as the parents' trust in the community.
And you redecorated and everything, right? Because I mean, the office is so cute and colorful and perfect for children.
Oh, thank you.
So if anybody wants to go by and see it sometime when we're back to normal time, I'm sure that they'd be willing to give you a tour.
Oh, we would love to.
The beautiful pictures, and I know that it makes me happy when I go in there. But so tell us how this time has been challenging for you as a dentist.
Yes, so over a month ago, we made the difficult decision to close our practice temporarily in order to do our part in preventing the spread of COVID-19. So I know that these past few weeks have been challenging for everyone, but at Little Tooth Co., we're finding peace in doing our part to help the community. So we're channeling our time and our resources right now to do what we can to give back. So this includes seeing emergency patients who are in pain and keeping children out of the emergency room, as well as donating our resources such as face masks, gowns, and other PPE towards healthcare providers who are at the front lines, like the pediatricians and the hospital workers. At Little Tooth Co., we are a very small practice, but we have a big heart. And we believe in giving what we have, even if it's only a little. I believe that this is how we're going to get through this, is by working together.
Awesome, awesome. And just a side note, Ramona in your office, I know she was pregnant. Has she had her baby yet?
She has, and
Awesome.
ironically, she gave birth on her birthday.
Oh, wow. Congratulations to Ramona. Make sure and tell her we said hi. And I know that it's not obviously a good thing to be closed, but she didn't have to worry about being away. She got to have this time with her new baby.
Yeah.
But so tell us how else we can support you, and following you on Facebook and all that kind of stuff.
Oh, certainly. Yep. So we're hoping to be up and running at some point in May with a strict protocol in place in order to keep both our team and our patients safe. So this is going to include a thorough pre-screening prior to the visit, as well as a screening at the time of visit via a questionnaire and by taking everyone's temperature. Other than that, we're also going to be limiting the number of things that can be touched when that can spread germs, such as doorknobs, toys, things at the coffee bar. We're also going to be disinfecting surfaces that were touched in the waiting room and in the clinical areas, and between families. So we'll be scheduling one family at a time in order to maintain social distancing recommendations. And just as we did before COVID, we're also going to be wearing personal protective equipment when treating patients, and deeply sterilizing all of our instruments and adhering to universal precaution guidelines. As dentists, I like to think that we're leaders in infection control management. And so one way that families can help us when they return to our practice is just to be understanding of these changes and understand that some of these changes may be permanent, but most are going to be temporary, and that they're there for everyone's safety.
Awesome. That's awesome. So we'll definitely have to follow you on Facebook and Instagram and your website to see when you're going to be up and running again. But anything else we should know?
So one thing I would like to say, especially during this time, is that the most important thing that parents can do right now as far as their child's dental health is to continue placing importance on dental health. So that means trying their best to provide healthy snacks at home, encouraging drinking plenty of water in between meals, and making sure that their children's teeth are brushed twice a day for 2 minutes each time with a little bit of toothpaste, and flossing every night. The second most important thing that I want parents to know is that they can contact us if they have any questions regarding their child's mouth or their child's teeth at this time. We are providing virtual evaluations for everyday questions, meaning we can evaluate your child's mouth via teledentistry, much like telemedicine. So we are seeing children in our office to get them out of dental pain. And by doing so, we're keeping the healthy children out of the emergency room to get them the care that they need. So please, if your child is in pain, do not bring them to the emergency room. Give us a call first and we'll see how we can help.
Okay. And how does insurance work, especially with the teledentistry?
So we are charging out under teledentistry codes, especially during this time. Teledentistry as well as telemedicine has moved leaps and bounds, I feel, and so most insurances are reimbursing. However, it is a very small fee, and teledentistry can be done either through video conference, much like we're doing right now, or it can be done through a telephone chat and emailing pictures in many various ways that we can
Okay.
look and evaluate the child.
Awesome. So what is the best way to contact you?
So you can shoot us an email at info@littletoothco.com, or you can call our office at 919-303-2873. All of this is on our website at www.littletoothco.com. And if you'd like to just go ahead and book like an emergency appointment for your child, there's also a book now button on our website.
Okay, wonderful. So let's get to that giveaway. So I'm going to let Dr. Jean describe what she's giving away. We'll run the giveaway open for about a week probably, but just look for a notification in the comments here. But the ways to enter the giveaway is to like Little Tooth Co., like this post, share it with friends, comment, tag friends. So all those good Facebook ways. So I'll let you describe the giveaway and then we'll end.
Yeah, definitely. So many of you may have heard of the Quip toothbrush. They can be found in most major stores such as Target and Walmart, and they are amazing electric toothbrushes that are different from the electric toothbrushes that we knew growing up. So they don't have all those heavy cords and those big bases. They're quite handy. You can bring them with you when you travel. And so our giveaway for today is going to be a children's Quip toothbrush.
Awesome.
Yes. So all you have to do is, as Leslie said, like this video, like Little Tooth Co., and also share this video, any one of those things between now and next week, and we will randomly draw a winner for our giveaway.
Yeah, awesome, awesome. So I'll draw the winner and I'll let you know who won and connect you on Facebook. So thank you so much for being with us today. I'm Leslie Lockhart with Abbington Life, and we've had Dr. Jean from Little Tooth Co. Thanks.
Thank you, everyone.
Stay safe and healthy.
Take care.